Hi everyone, this is Flo and welcome to this review of Slim Bean with the last version. Okay, so you have to enter the PIN code. Mine is this one. Let's go. It unlocks the SIM card. You can just choose different languages just there, and you see it just so fast to switch it, and you get the word welcome at the correct place, and fast. Okay, so I will select English, like United Kingdoms for example, and click next. So you have to see different things. Maybe you have seen my previous video on how to flash it. You have to select different networks. I don't want to skip anyway. To get a Google account you must have Flash VG apps, for example. I don't need one for my review. Okay, select the current date and time. You have to select the phone belongs. Okay, so this is mine. Flow, excuse me, Wolf there, last flow. Okay, this one you have just to select it if needed. Google services, okay, and finish. So this ROM is just so amazing. You have different things that you can flash over there as the photosphere. I'm not sure I have flashed it. Just watch it, for example. Okay, no thanks, take your photo. You have to select it. You have different things on the camera, so this is a correct camera. No, there is no photosphere. You have to flash an add-on to select the photosphere. So I have tested this ROM just for 1 hour, and this is just amazing the way you can customize it. So you have just to go there and go on settings. You can see maybe I have flashed just the applications there, so you have some things, not too much application, just the needed applications. So let's go there. You go to the settings just like that, and you can go on the interface. You get, for example, clock and alarm panel. You have to select it. On display you can just turn on and off the CRT version like that. You have to remind maybe this lock screen just now because I will change it just after that. You have different things for the brightness, the rotation. You can just allow also 180 degrees. Volume rocker wake, so this is just pressing that to turn off the phone, turn on the phone. Okay, this is for the display. On general you can just switch density and use tablet mode with dual panel mode. I will not show you that, but yes, maybe you have just to press it and then to go back to settings like that, you know, and you get your menu, system settings there, and you get your dual panel mode. Go on interface, display like that, go back to general and select dual panel mode. Okay, menu, system settings, and interface. I prefer this one for my HTC One X. Okay, so on general you have different things as the default app required. You can just use it. Custom carrier label, you can just switch it. I can use, for example, Flow. Oh, maybe I haven't shown you that. You are able to use, not right now, maybe later. Okay. On hardware case, you can just enable custom actions. For the back key, for example, you just have to add, I don't know, maybe kill the app or just turn off the screen off like that. Okay, long press there just to turn off the phone. This is some ideas, so you can just switch it. Home key, you can just let it like that for recent. This one you get recents there. The menu for this one, show action overflow, display play the 3-dot overflow menu within applications. You can allow it or no. Keyboard and input method. Auto rotation for the keyboard. This is something cool. You can just volume key cursor control just to be able to switch the position of the cursor with the volume button. It's something like that. If you see, just press new message. You have to enter some words, and just you want to go previously, as you can see there, with the volume button, just to switch letter by letters. Okay, menu, system setting. Let's go to continue. Keyboard and input method. Selector notification, you can activate it. Okay, lock screen. On screen security, you can just select the screen security you want with face unlock also. You have the owner information. You can add, for example, flow wolf. Okay, excuse me, wolf, like that. So you get it just right now on your screen. Flow wolf just there. Okay, let's go to continue. Delay screen lock, you can just switch it. Menu unlock, pressing the menu button to unlock the device. So this is something like that. Just press menu there to unlock it. Vibrate when unlocking. You also get that this slider there just to turn on the phone, and to turn off the phone. Also turn on, turn off, excuse me. Okay, you get also the background default wallpaper, slider targets. So this is just the, excuse me, lock screen there. You get the possibility just there to enable 8 slider targets. You can select, for example, just there some applications. I will select camera, select the different icon, select camera there and camera, like that. Okay, select another one, I don't know, maybe on applications. Let's go to Gmail, select that, the different icon, email. Okay, email, excuse me. Then you can select, I don't know, the navigator, I don't know, the browser in English, the browser just there with browser icon. You can select SMS for the last one, and you have to 8 different things like that. So where are SMS? This is messages, maybe this one. Okay, and messages, this one, select messaging. Okay, and you get that. Don't forget to save like that and get this message, lock screen target saved. And now you get on the lock screen something like that. Okay, please. Okay, so oh yeah, okay, so it works. As you can see, there is the different buttons. Just enter the targets. You can allow lock screen rotation and battery status and button action. View that. So long press back button action, for example, previous song, long press for play pause music, and long press menu for next song. This is something cool. If you just listen music like that, you just have to press play there and it play the music. So I maybe don't have launch. Yes, you heard the music. You can just go to the next, you can pause, and you can go to the previous one. Excuse me. Okay, so that was some things about that. To continue for the lock screen, you have different applications. You can just add some widgets like that, you know, but you can also do something cool. This is just go to this button there, settings, and with that, settings, oh I did that, I don't remind how I did that. This is just what the word of this application. This is the dash clock, and dash clock is something cool. We will be back later with that if it works. Okay, so continue on system settings with interface. We were on a lock screen, so navigation bar. You can enable the navigation bar just there and select different ring targets. Number of targets, you can select, for example, 3. You have to select one by one. Custom app, application, select the camera, go to the second one, custom app, application, I don't know, Gmail, and the last one, custom app. You can select 1 to 5, for example, different things, and just there, and you get the different applications you need. Just like that. You can enable long press for narrowing, and you can just select different apps at these positions. Okay, button glow animation, you can select it quick. You can switch the different height and size, as you can see just there. For example, select the color, menu visibility, you can show it every time, and you can show on landscape, also landscape mode. Notification drawer, navigation drawer style, you can just select the transparency of the drawer, the number of quick settings panel, excuse me. You have just different things there with alarm clock and others. Notification shortcuts also. I want to show you something else that was not power menu, that was maybe not navigation bar, I don't remind. Yeah, status bar. Let's go to power menu. On power menu you can expand it, desktop, and get the screenshot also. But that is the application we need, the SlamPy. This application you just have to show always is something cool. This is this thing just there, as you can see, with a lot of information about your phone. You get, for example, buttons with button quantity. You can select 1 to 5 different buttons and add different things just there, so as menu, I don't know, and another one, search, just there. And you can just enable long press for pie buttons also. You can just also go on style and dimension. You can select it as you prefer. Trigger options, so select where you want it happened, for example left and right, and you just have to press it like that, like that, and you get your menu just there with some information about your phone, the clock, the day, the battery, and the connection. And you can just press there and go to the menu. You can go home like that, and you have some things to do like that as the search button. Okay, let's go to continue with that. Settings, just there. Interface. You can also, okay, this is SlimPy, as you can see there. You can also show on background status bar information when you do that, and other things. You get some sounds information, camera shutter for example, and status bar. On status bar you are able status bar background style, battery icon and bar. You can just use your battery as circle example, just there. Normal, I don't know why isn't there percentage, I don't know why it doesn't happen just there. Okay, I don't get the battery. Battery, okay, hide. Bottom of navbar, no. Status bar there, I get it. I get it, but you maybe don't see it, just there, as you can see. Okay, also on clock and date, you can just show the clock alignment. You can center the clock like that. You can just show the date as small date, and you can switch the date format as I don't know, Wednesday 1st May, like that. This is something cool. You can show notification count like that, display number of pending notification. There is also status bar, the color, and other things. You have widget view pagers and the Wi-Fi information. Then you also are able to use the quiet hours. It's just to show you when you want to enable quiet hours. For example, it starts at 21 hours done and it ends at 6 o'clock, and you can mute notification, disable haptic feedback, disable vibration, and disable notification light. This is something cool to be quiet the evening. There is also Slim Center, just to allow you to get updates about the RAM, and Slim Sizer, just there to remove and save different applications with the APK version, like that. Okay, you have to select it and then you have to save it or delete it. You have also information about the device, super user, add different accounts, and I think you know everything about this custom ROM. So you are also able to switch the status bar there with the transparency. If you go there, for example, its interface, you have to go on where is it, navigation bar, status bar. You have to switch status bar background style and select the status bar transparency, always there, and you get more transparency. Where is it? Oh no, this is not this one. I don't remind, this is something like that, and you are able to switch the transparency. So thanks to have seen this video. Don't forget to share. That was Flow.